Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your location on eHarmony's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your location on eHarmony, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in eHarmony.com and make a search. The official page of eHarmony's account will appear on the screen. Log into your account if you are not logged in and you will end up on the home page of eHarmony's account. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop down, click on Data and Settings option. On the next page, click on Personal Data option. Tap on pen icon, then scroll all the way down and under Country, choose the location you prefer and tap on Save. This is how you can change location on eHarmony's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.